Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2019 19 plate Hyundai Tucson N-Line. Lovely vehicle. There's not many of these N-Lines out on the market. This is a very nice example. It's just a one owner car from new, supplied with a fantastic full main dealer service history. One owner, both keys are supplied there as well. All the documentation and books which were supplied with the vehicle from new are still in the glove box there today. But then the N-Line is a very smart looking car, so you get the more aggressive body styling, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nicer side skirts, bigger, more complex alloy wheels. You've got daytime running lights. This one's got front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 19-inch multi-spoke alloys. They look absolutely fantastic and suit the car very well. Those are riding on nice tyres as well. All four wheels are in nice condition. You've got privacy glass, a full sort of black package going on, so we've got black roof rails there, black mirror caps. Quite a cool looking car. Then coming through to the rear, nice dual exhaust, nicer lower diffuser coming through to the boot. You've got a massive loading area, so as you can tell, a nice wide boot. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Parcel shelf is present. Down here you'll find a space saver spare wheel with all the kit to change it, and as you can tell, that wheel's never been used. We've got a 12 volt power outlet in the back there as well. Looking at the actual plinth there, that's in nice order, so there's no sort of deep scratches. But a good looking car. And then inside, same goes, so you get a lovely half leather sports seat. So you've got leather on the bolsters, you've got the N embossed into the back of the seat there. You've got red stitching and red piping all throughout the vehicle. You get this lovely sort of suede cloth perforated centre, so fantastic for those warmer days. Obviously just allows the seat to breathe. These front seats are actually heated as well. On the door cards, bit of leather following through. You've got your park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, automatic front windows, central lock-ins found there as well. And then jumping into the cockpit, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So part perforated again, just like the seats, lovely red stitching. You can control most things off of here. So this is an automatic, so all we do is put our foot on the brake, press the starter button, and it rumbles into action. So it is all keyless, nice Hyundai keys there. So on the actual steering wheel itself, you've got your cruise control. You've also got your speed limiter. You've got your volume controls, media controls, voice command, automatic lights, automatic wipers, lane deviation warning, obviously traction control. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 18,585 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the centre, you get this nice sort of floating display. You've got the buttons down the sides. So we've got this nice responsive satellite navigation system. Clicking through to Navi, then you've got all the other shortcuts there, and then all menu, you'll find your telephone, information, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, media, my menu, voice memos, settings and navigation on there as well. Now down here you've got a dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. You've got heated front seat, as I mentioned before, automatic box which you can flick into drive, and then you can drive it manually if you choose to do so, going up and down the gearbox. Central cup holders, electric parking brake, auto hold. You've got your selectable driving modes, parking sensors, automatic stop start, and also your hill descent. You've got two USB ports, one USB port and two 12 volt power outlets. and an aux input as well. As I mentioned before, all the documentation and books which were supplied with the car are still there today. We've got the locking wheel nut there as well for your wheels. And then lastly, just before we finish the video, I'll just quickly show you through to the rear. So in the back, same goes, lovely order. Having sat inside, you can tell it's never been smoked in, there's no smell of any sort of pets. You've got the N badging there again, central cup holder, armrest, your Isofix in the bottom, obviously 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. The rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning, and then down there you'll also find another USB port for phone charging. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been sort of kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. You've got a bit of netting there as well for added storage, but all around a lovely example. So if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like a finance quote, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can contact us on 01942 231 123. Now, we do have a lot of customers travelling the distance, so for peace of mind, I always recommend having a look at our reviews on Auto Trader. We are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews off verified buyers, and we do sell a lot of cars all around the country as well as even abroad. So thank you for watching the video. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you.